Hi. Ooh. So you will not eat this.
Ooh.
Yeah,
we can eat that. You can save this if you want.
This is yours. That is mine.
Okay. Fair. That's fair.
This is beef.
Ooh. That was really good. What's the other cheese? White cheese?
I don't know why we have two cheese.
Why do we have two cheeses?
You are the one who bought this.
Oh, did I? What did I get? New York cheese or something?
Yeah, New York cheese.
Okay.
And the other one is
cheddar.
extra sharp. Both are cheddar.
Oh, here. Yeah. Do the Aldi's. Yeah, I think that's all he had or something. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Okay. Water here. Still cold.
Yeah, I know. I think until Saturday, love. It's very cold until Saturday or until Sunday. This is so many, Labby. Same sauce.
Yeah. You don't have to use sauce.
Yeah, ooh, I love that. Okay, let's eat. Love?
Yeah. Yes, love.
Happy birthday to you.
I was wondering what you're doing. I need to make some chocolate.
Happy birthday to you. I baked this last night in the
Yeah.
inside the air fryer. I need to hide it. I just decorated.
I had no idea. Thank you, love. Love you. That's sweet. And then little pomegranates.
Yeah.
Made it a presentation.
Oops, it's yummy.
Yeah.
Ah. We will not eat
We'll save for
breakfast
later.
here.
We'll
Yeah.
save for later. Yeah. I want to ruin the breakfast.
We're going out. It's so cold outside. I'll put here on mine. But you need to clean that first, love. Is it clean out?
We don't have time to clean. It's okay. They won't be offended. I'll put this in the
Just a
trunk.
bit.
No, we don't have to clean. It's okay.
Huh? Just a...
Okay.
I feel like I'm in the... It's sunny actually, but it's so cold. Happy birthday, love. Happy birthday.
Thank you. -9 right now.
Here?
It's colder than it's been this whole winter. It'll warm up, but it's just really cold right now.
Where's the Grafton, lovey?
I mean, it might be like 20 minutes.
Look at the
Yeah.
lake.
Yeah.
It's frozen.
Either way, it's going to take a while.
Can I stop here, love?
Stop you.
I want to take a video of the lake. I just want to show the lake. Look at that. It's frozen. What happened, love, with your tire?
So the pressure is low because it's cold.
Yeah. That's crazy. Look at that.
I'm glad we can. It's crazy.
I'm super ready today, but our leader canceled.
We're all prepared.
Yeah.
Well, at least we're safe.
At least, yeah, we're safe. Ooh. But since it's his birthday, we're going to celebrate it. Not inside the restaurant, of course.
No.
Inside my kitchen, inside our kitchen, lovey. I'll prepare something for you. Oh, it's so cold outside, guys. And the lake,
It's 0.
everything is freezing.
Now it's 0.
Oh, it's now 0.
It warmed up to 0.
Oh, look, the
Yeah.
water, love. The lake is frozen.
Yeah. Usually people just stay home. They just don't go out. It was really crazy weather.
Yeah.
I gotta get this fixed eventually.
Whoa, look at that. How they can still...
Well, it's warm inside.
Look at that snow.
Yeah. You see the animal tracks.
Yeah. We have that lab on our front yard.
I don't know how the deer survive this. It's really crazy.
If they can survive this, I can survive this too. Yeah. Okay, let's go there. I'm still enjoying it, love. I love the snow. I just don't like the cold. But I think if I'm ready, like today, I'm very ready.
Prepared.
Yeah, I'm prepared.
If you get too hot, you take stuff off. It's okay.
No, I'm not. It's so comfortable. I'm wearing how many layers of clothes?
Just 27.
No, it's just 5, I think. 5. Ooh, that's...
It kind of gets icy right here for some reason. I don't know why.
Yeah, it's icy, love. Be careful.
Warming up to 1 degree. It would have been a sunny drive at least. Down there. But I don't know how we would have survived.
Oh, I want to slide there.
Yeah, that's fun. Yeah. It gets steep right here.
Sliding. We're now in Grafton. The river here is not frozen.
There's a dam nearby, the Grafton Dam,
Here in Grafton.
but I don't know how that affects it. There's Lisa's place. It's a restaurant.
I can still see water, but it's not running, love.
No.
It's just smoking. It's just smoking.
Smoking.
Maybe because of cold, yeah.
The water smokes too much here.
Mm-hmm.
No, you get better ones.
Is there a next farm?
Yeah, there's a bigger farm. Not yet. You gotta go over a hill. This is actually a better road than 310 than what we came on.
So I want to see the farm. Oh yeah, I
We'll
want to
see
see
that
the
farm.
farm. Is that the farm that...
That's the one you missed.
Yeah,
Now you're missing it again.
it's okay. Are you hungry now, love?
Yeah, I could eat.
It's actually beautiful, love.
Yeah.
To see white. Look at that.
Yeah. I just don't want to like hurt you as I'm moving.
Why there's a school bus?
Maybe they had a trip. Something. Friendship Baptist Church.
Wow. Let's go there.
She may not be Spanish. She's very friendly. But I don't know if she's actually saved.
Then I can share
You should have hospital tour.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. You've got her safe.
Wanna try this
Okay.
for your birthday?
Gnocchi? Yeah, sure. You try the Peru coffee.
Okay.
You ground some Peru coffee. This is just regular corn. You found the corn?
Yeah, I got it.
I think he's charging.
Yeah.
What are they doing?
Oh yeah.
That's not very smart.
Now on the part that not frozen lab, they are there.
It's right freezing.
Yeah.
It's cold.
Oh.
They just can't get out of the water. They gotta stay in the water.
Yeah. But the rest, yeah, it's frozen. That's too cold for them.
Man.
Whoa. Huh?
I didn't mean to sleep that long.
Yeah, but don't come here, okay?
I feel good now.
But don't come here.
Okay. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm just doing something. But you cannot go inside the kitchen. You're not allowed here. Why you're laughing?
I wonder what you could be doing.
Huh?
I wonder what you could be doing in there on the day.
Just relax. It's your day. You want to sleep more?
I'm good. Good.
Yeah. It's still early, right? It's 4:16, is it?
4:20.
Okay. You just relax there. Don't worry, I'm not doing anything bad. But you cannot come here. Huh?
Might check to make sure there's no mail.
Don't come here.
I'm not coming there. I'm going out.
Okay. You go out to get the mail. I'm planning to make a cake made of fruit, fresh fruit. Let me see if I can do it. No, don't go.
It's okay. Woo. More than all that are fearsome before me. Also my whisper with me. So I was great and increased more than all that are fearsome before me. So I whisper with me. So I was great and increased more than all that are fearsome before me. So I whisper with me. So I was great and increased more than all that are fearsome before me. So I whisper with me. And increased more than all that are fearsome before me.
Labby,
Yes.
it's ready.
Uh-oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Wow.
Happy birthday to you.
Look at the cake. I can't even explain it. It's all so great.
We don't have any candle, but yeah. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Wow. The watermelon cake.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. That's beautiful. Birthday to the best husband in the world, my Wade.
You like that?
Beautiful. Glasses.
Yeah, I
No one's ever done this that I've ever seen. This is way up here. Like a 5-star restaurant. Look at all this stuff. There's like 10 people are coming over. We're having all this food.
No, it's just the two of us, so we'll finish that.
This is great. The
Happy birthday!
The gnocchi looks good.
Yeah, it's my first time to cook that.
I can't remember
Okay.
if I had that before, really.
I hope that's yummy.
You can make like a fruit kind of salad.
Except, different for you.
Even they have different dressing.
But if you need more, I have there
Is that
some.
garlic right there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow.
We don't have fresh.
I thought you were just going to cook the steak and let me cut it. Like, that's better. That's better. That's better. That's even, so I don't have to worry about it.
Okay.
That's amazing.
You can have more. Have of those.
Right.
Have those.
Make some gnocchi.
Mm-hmm.
How does this work?
Yeah, put it on your plate. You can use the spoon, maybe.
Okay.
I add spinach
Oh,
so
that's
that
good.
it.
Yeah. Try that for now. Oh, man, look at this. This is just mine or sharing this one? That's
Actually,
separate.
you can have that all if you want.
I mean, you eat what you want. Yeah, don't worry. Okay, take it.
No,
what
you can. Maybe I can. I'll just get some of the asparagus.
Yeah, yeah. How much you have some to do?
Yeah, asparagus, and then
Oh,
all
man.
of yours.
Is this cooked the same as this? Or is that different?
Same, just same.
Okay. Let me try. I can't remember gnocchi if I've had it. It's good. Yeah.
Oh, I overcooked the asparagus, I think. But I like it
Oh,
cooked burn.
yeah, that's good. Mm-hmm. Oh, man. Crazy. It's so good. It's like a food blog or something. Mmm. Flavors. Mmm.
If you will eat in Restaurant Lab, this is already $120.
Oh, yeah. Probably. All this together. And that.
Especially the steak.
Maybe 30. at a restaurant.
The steak, they double the price.
Maybe. At least 20. For this?
Mhm.
No, this could be 30. I've seen steaks like this, they're 20.
That's big, love. That's why I put
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
Some.
Oh, yeah. Wow. Oh.
Good.
Try some of this asparagus.
It's yummy. For me, it's yummy.
Mm. Where'd you get these glasses from?
It's from your house. I just saw it on the top. And then
Did Mom put
I
that
said,
there?
and then I said, oh, I'm going to use that on my, I was planning to use that on my
You don't-
birthday.
Mom was thinking of these. I don't even remember
And
these.
then I remember,
I don't remember ever seeing these for some reason. It works good.
oh, you didn't know what's inside
I don't know
your
what I
house.
even have. Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah. Oh wow.
This is the reason love why I want
Mm.
I want to do grocery and then just cook what I want or you want.
Mm-hmm.
Because we save money and we can eat more.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
The only one tired there is me. But it's okay. I love to do this, love. I love you.
I do.
You like it? But let me know if it's yummy.
I don't want you to work too hard, you know, on all this stuff. Too much. But yeah, if you like it, it's good.
Huh?
Now, every once in a while, you know, if you ever want to take a break, just let me know.
No, I
But
feel
you enjoy it, it looks like.
I feel guilty, love, after we eat. Like last my birthday, I feel guilty that
Oh,
you pay more, and then I feel like I enjoy it. I like the food,
You
but
like it?
I feel like I can do that. I can copy that in the house.
well, I believe that, yeah. But you also didn't have to make it.
Hmm?
You didn't have to work for it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe once a decade.
I like this. I could do this every day.
Not every day, love. It's Friday.
No, this is good. It's good.
I was planning to do this on Monday.
Mm. Yeah.
If we will go to Summersville today.
Mm.
But since Summersville is cancelled,
Mm-hmm.
I did it today.
I'm glad it worked out. Mm. Wow.
I like it.
Yeah, the asparagus is good.
Let me know if you don't like, love. Huh?
Okay.
Maybe you want the restaurant taste. But I feel like this is
It's
yummier.
better. I mean, yeah, really. Some places are not as good as this.
They put something there, love, like
Mm.
I don't wanna say that with the restaurant, but sometimes they use more MSG to taste better.
Yeah,
But this one just salt, pepper, and
Yeah.
thyme,
it's simple.
garlic, of course.
All good things take time. Get it?
Get it?
Mm.
Okay. Happy birthday, love.
Thank you, love. Love you.
Oh, your spoon is still here on me.
Oh,
I get it.
you want more asparagus?
I only have 2 more. We have more in the
Ah, that's good. And,
inside the fridge. We have more.
okay.
But I mean, not yet cooked. Like, on our dinner, I'm going to cook. Like, some other day. Mm. Oh, wow. One more?
Let me have some more of that nookie.
You will have more than that.
Ooh.